So get this new dash cam, Kenwood DRVA301W. It's supposed to be one of the best dash cams out, so I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna install it and do some drive around and see if this is the same the way they claim. Actually, it comes with two options: either connect directly to the USB. If you don't have it, you can just use this one. I'm gonna use this connection because it's shorter and I already have a plug-in USB, so yeah, it's better. I don't like this very long cable. It's gonna be hard to fit it. Already connected, and looks like the quality is not that bad. And driving around, then I'm going to download some of these videos, because you can download also the Kenwood app and synchronize the app to the camera through the Wi-Fi. It's so easy. It was really easy. So we'll see. I can hear ambulance somewhere, and that's okay. Fire department. Wait for the fire department. So it looks like it record also the speed, date, time, and everything. I like it. I like this camera. Downtown Providence. This is